All right, today I'm gonna bring you a magnetic switch keyboard. Here's what comes in the box. Open here. We got it's like a little key display, so it shows you all the keys. The cable, because this is a wire keyboard. So this one you plug it to your computer, USB-A to USB-C. You have tweezers to change your keys, and you have two extra keys. This keyboard is Hall effect, so it's magnetic. It sends the movement with magnets, and this is how it looks. It's very nice. It has 16 million RGB effects colors. You see it here, nice and compact. It weighs, it has a good pretty weight. So you can see this one is black. It comes in I think two colors. This one in like white. It has like designs in the back. It looks pretty cool. It has little rubber boots so that it doesn't slip. Let me see if I can plug it in here so you can see how it looks. You can change colors. So you hit here. So this one is like changing colors right there. You hit function. There's this button here and up, and it changes modes. There's different colors. There's a whole bunch of stuff that you can do with this keyboard. You can change the memories. It has a drive that you can put it here so you can see it changing colors real quick. But you can, if you have a PC, it has a drive that you can save your settings and then just put them on whatever color pattern. If you want to just take it to work and have the RGB colors, you stay one color. You can change a whole bunch of stuff, how it performs. You can do all that in the web drive, but it's only for PC. It doesn't work with Mac OS. So yeah, it is very affordable. It's very well made. It looks cool. It's gonna give your gaming room a really nice touch. It's very precise. It's made for gaming and it sounds amazing. If you're old school like me, this is how the keyboards used to sound when I was growing up. So this is very nostalgic for people from the 90s and for young people, so they can it used to be, or how satisfying this using this keyboard is, because it sounds really nice and it feels really good on the touch. So if you're looking for a gaming keyboard, it has Hall effect, it has rapid fire, 16 million colors that you can change. You can change the pattern. You can do a whole bunch of stuff. Check the reviews, check the brand, give them a follow. And I hope this video helped you make the decision. And thank you for watching. Let me show you here. It has a whole bunch of modes. It has the key, letters and all that here. But if you press function, and it has like a key here next to back, you hit it and you change modes. Function tab, change the color. And then function up and down, change the brightness, and function left and right, change the speed. But you can see here has a bunch of, and the one on the backspace, change that type. How it looks, different types, pretty cool. So there you have it.